Hey, welcome back! In the last video, we saw how Peedi works for customers. Now, let's see how to set up a Peedi store products, menu, delivery, everything. If you can use WhatsApp, you can do this. Let's go. Open your browser and go to store.peedi.io. Log in with your phone number and verify with 6-digit OTP. Once you're in, this is your Peedi dashboard. Think of this as the control room for your entire WhatsApp store. Every order, every customer message, every product, you manage it all from here. Now, it's time to set up your profile. Enter your business name and owner name in the business information section and click Next. Add your email address under contact information. Your phone number will already be linked. And you are well on your way to getting your store live. After adding your contact info, you'll reach the address and regional settings page. Fill in your street address, city, state, and PIN code. Your country, currency, and time zone will be handily auto-detected for you. Hit Next to view your final settings. Give your business summary one last look and click Create Business. Once your store is created, you'll land inside the Peedi dashboard. You'll notice a banner saying your business is under review. Don't worry, the support team usually approves this within 24 to 48 hours. In the meantime, you can jump right into your store details to set your business category, like restaurant, and start adding your delivery partners. To get your messaging up and running, head over to the plugin marketplace. Select WhatsApp Business and click the green Configure WhatsApp button. This will redirect you to Facebook to authorize the connection. Just click Continue to link your Meta account to your Peedi store. Now go to Store Settings, then set your working hours. This is important. If a customer messages you outside these hours, Peedi will automatically reply that you're closed and show your opening time. Go through each day and set your open and close time. If you're closed on a day, just toggle it off. Go to Products in the sidebar. Before adding items, first create your categories. Categories are like the sections of your menu. For a cafe, you might have coffee, snacks, and combos. Click Add Category, type the name, and save it. Keep names short and clear. They appear as buttons in WhatsApp. Now click Add Product. Enter the product name, add a short description, and select the category. Enter the price, then upload a product photo. Don't skip this. A good product photo will directly increase your orders. Use a clear, well-lit image. Hit Save. Repeat for every item. If you have many products, use the bulk import feature to upload from a spreadsheet in one go. Go to Settings and write your welcome automation message. Something short and friendly, like, "Hi, welcome to Brewhouse. What can we get started for you today?" Then, add your menu buttons. Order Now, Track My Order, and Contact Us. Link Order Now to your product catalog. Now, let's test it. I'll send "Hi" to my number and show you exactly what the customer sees. Go to Delivery Settings. Enable delivery. Set your delivery charge, say 30 rupees, and add your delivery areas. When a customer places an order, it shows up instantly in your Orders section on the dashboard, with their name, items, and delivery address. You also get a notification on your phone. Click Accept Order. The customer immediately gets a WhatsApp message. Their order is confirmed. One click, done. You didn't type a single word. When you start making the order, change the status to Preparing. The customer gets an automatic update so they know it's being worked on. This keeps them informed and reduces those "Where is my order?" messages. Order is packed and your delivery person is heading out. Click Out for Delivery. The customer gets a message that their order is on the way. Your delivery partner also gets notified on their phone automatically. Once the order is delivered, mark it as delivered. The customer gets a thank you message and a prompt to rate their experience. The order moves to your completed list. That's the full order flow. All on WhatsApp, fully automatic. Zero manual typing. And that's everything. Your store is set up, your WhatsApp is connected, and orders are being managed automatically from accepted to delivered. Start your free trial at peedi.io. Link is in the description. Hit subscribe for more. See you in the next one.